Alright, lads and lasses, learning DAX. Aggregations and measures, okay? Aggregations are so important in Power BI, in DAX as we move forward, right? Learning just to write a basic aggregation goes a long way, okay? Everything you do, no matter what it is, no matter how complicated it is with DAX, you're going to find at the end of it, there's a basic aggregation somewhere along the line. So learn how to write them goes a long way. And learning as well that they ain't scary things. So what you'll find is in Power BI, you've got these. We'll look at the sales here, the general column, and we can see we've got summarization in the top underneath the column tools, right? All of these you can do yourself, right? So this is basically just saying, look, how do you want us to summarize it if you just drag this into the page? You've got the capability. You can write them. You can do what you want with them. So if we go back and we say, let's pick a new page, and on that new page, let us write a new measure. So I'm going to write a new measure. Right click on the table, new measure, measure 1. Let's call this sum of sales. Okay, dead easy. What we can do is we can drag this out into the page so we can see what it is, right? Tell you what, should make it a card so we can see average sales. Okay, remember that's in millions, so what we'd need to do is multiply it by 1,000,000 to use it properly, which is that's fine, isn't it? Just multiply by 1,000,000. But we're not stuck with that being the only measure we can write or the only quick aggregation we can write. We can write a max as well. Get me the max of it. 82. You can get minimum. I'm trying to think what the minimum sales are for this. But, you know, minimum. 0. Something came out, sold 0. What a life. You know, I sold now, man. Me products were rubbish. Right? What you can also do is we can do average. Okay. So we can show the average sales. We can see lots of things sold very low. Might be older stuff. I would definitely recommend that you have a look. You know, don't be afraid to go in and start to write simple aggregations, a sum, an average, anything like that. Because if we go back and put this back into the sum, okay, sum of sales by 1,000,000, and I did say we need to multiply it by 1,000,000, didn't we? So multiply that by 1,000,000. Okay, 1.78 billion sales. Okay, the way Power BI works is it's all portable and context related. So where's the context coming from? It's going to be coming from video games, isn't it? So if we bring genre out on there and make that a chart, shall we say? Actually, let's do a chart. And we bring out genre, we can suddenly see that just from putting in simple sum, right? I can write sum. I've got a visualization built. I'm starting to produce Power BI report content. Learn the basics, and we'll keep going on and keep practicing. Keep seeing what you can do, even if it's just with those basics that you've got of a basic aggregation. You'll get loads done. So make sure you practice. Yeah. Give us feedback. Let us know what you think. You know, is that too easy for you? Do you want to do something a bit more? We're going to expand on this over the next week or so, right? So anyway, you take care. Have a great weekend. Ta-da.